Hey guys, it's Allyson. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to do my everyday makeup routine. It's really simple for every day and I think it turned out really nice. I've been using this pharmacy toner lately. It makes my face feel really smooth and hydrated. I'm just going in with a light moisturizer on top. I'm obsessed with these Mario skin enhancers. I have the color light, medium, and dark, and I'm just gonna mix them both. Personally like applying it a little bit higher because I like to cut my cheeks in because I feel like my face is a little round. Just applying a little bit of this concealer right in the center, a little bit on my forehead. The concealer is a little yellow, so I'm gonna mix it with the Giorgio Armani Luminous concealer in 4 just to kind of neutralize it a little bit. With my Saie brush, I'm going to blend all of this out. I try to do it slowly and then just take it up a little bit by my eyebrow because I really like how it gives me a nice lift. I also make sure to get my inner corner because I have a little bit of darkness here and I like when it's like brighter. So I just like to switch it and try to just tap the product out to like a semicircle, I guess. I just blend it in to the contour. Now taking this Miracle Balm and the brush from Rhode Beauty, I'm just applying a little bit of blush to my cheeks. This is like the perfect everyday blush. It's not too much and it just gives like the perfect flush of color on your cheeks. I of course like to apply it on my nose. I like to bake whether I'm doing like a glam look or an everyday look. It just makes my under eye look airbrushed. Before baking, I do a light amount under my eye just to set it, and then I go in with a lot more product to bake. While I do this, I kind of bring it up on my nose just to kind of do like a little bit of a reverse contour. While I let my face bake, I like to do my eyes. This is my all-time favorite mascara. It's seriously amazing. I use a waterproof version, and then before applying mascara, I always use my Shiseido eyelash curler. Bottom mascara, I always use the L'Oreal Telescopic because I really love the applicator. It just makes it super easy to get every single strand. I also sometimes like to top off this mascara with a little bit of this, just like at the ends. I feel like it just makes it pop even more. I accidentally got some mascara on my eye, but a really good trick is just to let it dry and then take a spoolie and then just kind of rub it away. It's not dry yet, so I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm just gonna dust away the powder that's baking. Then I just like to go over my bronzer again with a little bit of the Mario. I feel like sometimes the bronzer disappears a little bit when I wipe it away. And with this, I just want to make sure that this is all properly blended. Taking the same blush brush, I'm not adding any more product. I'm just kind of making sure that everything is just blending together. The key here is just to make sure that everything is blended and it just looks seamless. For my lips, I'm going in with my favorite lip liner. It's the Kiko lip pencil in Cold Brown. It's literally my absolute favorite. Then I like to apply this Rhode Peptide gloss right on top. It's in the shade Ribbon. I really love this shade. We're not done. I'm gonna add a little bit of color to my cheeks. I'm adding this blush topper from House Labs. I just use the other end of the Mario brush and just do little tapping motions on my cheek. And it provides like a nice little shine, but just also makes my cheeks pop a bit more. Final step is just to add a little bit of highlighter. I've been using this highlighter forever. Just apply a little bit here. Actually looking at my forehead here, I think I just want to blend my contour just a little bit more. See? Looks better. All you need is a spoolie. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos from me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.